It is 25 degrees and we had snow for 2 days, snow and ice, and then it rained and was in the 50s for 2 days, and then now we're back down to 25, and there's a dusting type snow. I don't even know if you would call it snow. It just looks like a dusting on the ground and everything's frozen again. So today I'm working on seeds. I am planting my garden for the spring and kind of overwhelmed because I've never done this stage before. Last year it was just like a what's available, what can I get, and what can I put in the ground. This is the first year I'm going to be actually starting from seed. So I'm excited, but I'm kind of scared in the sense that I don't know what I'm doing. I appreciate all the channels that are sharing their knowledge of seeds and getting started, because if I didn't have that, I don't know what I would do. I have gardening books and of course Google, but it's not the same. I'm a hands-on learner, so I do better seeing something be done instead of reading it. I can read it fine and I can understand it, but just seeing it helps a lot better with me because I'm just a visual person. So today I'm actually going to be drawing out the garden. It's 75 by 35 and going through the seeds that I got in the seed swap. I have 2 more seed swaps that are going to be taking place. My Instagram, I just sent those seeds out, the 20 packets of seeds. So I'm excited to see what I'm going to get back. But until all that happens, I want to go through the seeds that I already have. Now, some of my seeds are at the farm. I'm in town today, right now. Later on, when I go to the farm, I'll pick up my seed, the rest of my seed bin, and I'll show you what else I have. But today I'm just working with what I have here, and most of it is what I got from the huge seed swap that I did in October. So there's some really cool stuff. I've been Googling and writing down information and categorizing everything and kind of getting a grip on what I want to do and what I want to plant. I watched Rose's video over at Wholesome Roots, and her thing was make a list of what your family eats and what your family wants, and that has helped because my list of what we eat, quite a bit of, is the stuff that I've picked out ahead of time, not even, thinking, and then now I have a list, and it's just kind of checking off what we want to do and what we are going to plant. I have a whole bunch of flowers that I want to plant for pollination, and I love flowers. I love bulbs more so. I've never really did much with seeds, so this is going to be a whole new thing with that. I have an area next to the garden I want to do just for herbs, so I'm excited for that. So this is a huge adventure for me this year, so I'm excited and I'm scared all at the same time. So I thought I would share a little bit of what I'm doing today in the cold. Just made it back from the farm, and I brought my seed collection that I had at the farm. I got this bucket at the Dollar General on clearance. It has like a broken corner, but it was only like $1.50 on clearance. Thought it was cute. I'm not really sure. I can't remember what's in here, so I'm gonna go through them. Oh, I had some. I don't know what I was thinking. I ordered the peas from Baker Creek, and I don't know how I got a ½ pound of them. But we're gonna have a ton of peas. I think I got I think I got 2 ½ pound bags. I don't know how that happened.
Isn't that good?
I guess. But they have. But we have a bunch of stuff. I got clearance. I love bulbs. These were on clearance for 10 cents. So I'm going to go through this because I just threw it in here, so I don't know what's what. And, oh, I got this for clearance too. Marigold for 10 cents. Okay. I got these on clearance. We planted them, these garlics, but I think they were too far gone. I didn't plant them all, I don't think. Maybe we did. I don't know. Alright. Oh, there's the other bag. One is Sugar Snap and one is Sugar Ann. So, I don't know how I ended up with the ½ pound bags, but I did. So, alright, I'm going to go through this bucket, and Liam's laughing at me. These are all of my seeds. Every bag is a different. This bag right here is what I've picked out so far that I know I'm going to be growing. And then I still have to go through each separate category to see what I want. This is root vegetables. So this is my turnips, carrots, onions, and radishes. Then here's my herb bag, my lettuce bag, kale and brassicas. This is my corn and my huge bag of okra seeds that I've been sharing because I have so many okra seeds that I collected this year. This is my cucumber and watermelon or melon bag. I don't have many cucumbers because I am allergic to cucumbers. I will grow a couple this year, but I'm allergic to them, so not a lot. This is my tomato bag. I don't have very many tomatoes, but I'm excited about the ones that I do have. These are my bean bag. Showed you that. This is my pea bag. I have a ton of peas. I'll probably be sharing some of these too because I have 2 ½ pound. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I have a ton of peas. And then squash, zucchini, and pumpkins. And flowers. These right here I'm excited about. They are hibiscus. The neighbor had a really beautiful hot pink hibiscus, and so I was able to get some seeds. So excited about that one. But yeah, flowers. And what else? Oh, can't forget the peppers. Yeah, I'm excited about peppers. I have a lot of peppers I'm going to grow this year. So it's been really difficult for me to plan the garden. Since it's been so difficult, I've drawn out what I can, but I don't have a lot drawn out because I just, I'm having issues. So, I'm being honest, it's overwhelming. We have been going through a lot. This video is a month old because I just haven't had time to, I've got the video shot, I just haven't had time to put them together and get them to you guys. So the first part of the video is in February, now we're in March, and it has just been crazy. Our house is being put up for sale, the one we live in town, so we have been working really hard on getting the house at the farm livable, and it has been non-stop. So I've got video, I just haven't had time to edit them and get them uploaded.